Hello everybody, welcome to another edition of Deep Creek Ironworks. Today, I'm taking these roses and I'm dressing them up a little bit. Go ahead, this nice little horseshoe heart at the bottom of them. I actually sell quite a few of these roses. They've actually been quite popular. So, let's go for another ride. All right, come on. All right, folks, well, thanks for coming with me as we made these nice little stands for these roses. And until next time, and y'all need to remember this now, is life living for where Jesus died for. Take care, and until next time.